Traveling is my favorite thing to do when I am on holiday. I love to experience new places, cultures, and people. When I am planning my travel, the first thing that I have to think about is where I want to go, my destination. After choosing my destination, I book my flight or train ticket. If it is too expensive, I always change my destination to a similar one. When I have booked my flight, I start to look at hotels and apartments. I also find attractions and restaurants that are near where I am going to stay. If I see that my accommodation, which is where I am staying, is far from the city or town centre, I will choose one that is nearer. I don't want to spend all my holidays walking to and from my hotel. Once I have booked my holiday, I can pack my bags a few days before. I always make sure to check that I have everything I need, like my passport, tickets, and cash. I prefer to use cash on holiday instead of my debit card if I am traveling to a country that has a different currency. In England, we use pounds. Then it is time to go to the airport or train station. When I arrive, I am usually excited but nervous. I always get to the airport early and go through security and passport control quickly. There are some machines to check in before you board your flight. During the journey, I usually sit back and relax. I don't like taking off, but when we are in the air, I can relax. I don't like to talk to other travelers when I am traveling by plane. I prefer to watch a film or listen to music. When I arrive at my destination, I go directly to my hotel or apartment and check in. I don't like walking around with my heavy bags or suitcases. After I check in, I go to my room, have a shower, and leave my suitcases there. Then I am free to discover the city or the town. I don't like to sign up to guided tours. I prefer to hire a bike or walk around the city on my own. I usually meet other tourists while I am sightseeing. I sometimes even make new friends. It is easier when you are from the same country because you can speak the same language, but I am lucky that I can speak English because that means I can talk to a lot of people. I always take photos of the famous monuments, but I don't like taking selfies. I'm thinking about backpacking around Europe on my next trip. I would only take a backpack. I wouldn't take any suitcases. People usually travel around Europe by train on this type of holiday because it is cheaper. But I think that I could go by train, bus, or plane. Now let's answer some questions about this video. You can write your answers in the comment section and I can correct them. What don't I like to do on holiday? Why do I go directly to the hotel when I arrive? What are my plans for my next trip? Remember to write the answers to the questions in the comment section. Please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!